Children, today I'm going to tell you about increasing order, or you can say ascending order. Increasing or ascending order means from small to big. Okay, we will write the small number first and then we'll go on with the bigger ones one after the other. But before doing that, we need to make sure we need to write ones and tens place above all the given numbers. Okay, this will make it very easy for you to understand which one is the smaller one and which one is the bigger one. Okay, so I have already written ones and tens place over here in front of all the numbers you can see. Now how we are going to do this is, see, question number 1, I have got 4 options. Okay, first is 43, second one is 87, third one is 19, and fourth one is 84. Okay children, now what I will be doing is, I'll see the tens place. Here the tens value over here is 4, over here it's 8, this side it's 1, then this side it's 8. Okay, so which one is the smaller one? Definitely this side is the smaller one. Okay, here tens value is 1. So what I'll be doing is, I'll write 19 over here and I'll cross this number so that when I'll be doing the next one, I will not be confused with the 19 which I've already written. Okay, so first of all I'll cross 19, then I will write 19 over here. Okay, so I've written 19 and I've crossed it over here. Now I'm left with only 3 options, 43, 87 and 84. Again what I'll be doing is, I'll see the tens value over here, that is 4, over here it's 8, then again 8. So no doubt this one is the smaller one. Okay, so I will do what? I'll cross it over here and I'll write 43. I'm using another ink to highlight the answer. Okay, now I'm left with 2 options. Children, after crossing, it becomes very easy for me to see that these are the 2 options left. If you're not going to cross, then again and again you will go through the same numbers and you will get confused, and there are chances that you will write the same number again which you have already written. Now I have the option 87 and here I have the option 84. So both this side you can see tens value is 8. Then in this case what are we going to do? We will see the ones place also. Okay, here ones place it's 7. Here it's 4. So this one is a smaller one. So I'll cross it and I will write the answer 84. Then I'm left with only this one. I'll simply write it over here. Okay, I hope this one is clear to you. Now there can be cases where you will have ones, tens, 100, 3-digit numbers and then 2-digit number in between, and even you can have 1 digit also. So in this I have taken 3-digit number and 2-digit number. Again I have written ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100. Okay children, so which one is the smaller one? This one is very clear because it's 2-digit number. So you will simply write this one first, that is 50, and make sure you will cut it then and there. Okay, then we are left with these 3 options. So we will see the tens place, hundreds place, ones place. Which one? This is 3-digit number, so we will go with the hundreds place. Okay, see, this is 3, over here it's 1, over here it's 2. Okay, so I will see 1 is the smaller one. So I'll cut it and I will write 100 over here. Now I am left with this option and this option, these 2 options. Okay, here it's 3 and here it's 2. So it's very much clear this one is the smaller one. So I will be writing 200 over here. Now the last option left, I will simply write it over here. Okay, can you see? It's going in the order from smaller to bigger one. Okay. The third one, that is 212, 202, 222, 200. Okay, over here again we'll see these are 3-digit numbers, so we need not to worry about ones and tens only. We will see the hundreds place. Over here it's 2, over here again it's 2, here also 2, here also 2. So we will go to the tens place. When we come to the tens place, it's 1 over here, it's 0 over here, it's 2, and it's 0. Okay, so this one is a smaller one. We'll cut it and we'll write 200. Okay, now we are left with these three options. Again, we'll see it's 1 at the tens place, it's 0 at the tens place, it's 2 at the tens place. So this one is the smaller one. We'll cut it and we'll write 202. Now I'm left with only these two options. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, here tens place is 1. Here at tens place it's 2. So this one is a smaller one. I'll write 212. Now the last option left with me is 222. 222. That I'll write straight. Okay. Over here, number 4, I am left with number 199, 199, 265, 183, 255. So I'll see all these are 3-digit numbers. So we'll see with the hundreds place. At hundreds place, I'm having number 1 over here. Here it's 2. Again it's 1. Here it's 2. So we'll see the 1. The hundreds place, number 1 over here. So it's 1. Here also it's 1. So we'll move on to the tens place. At tens place it's 9. And here at tens place it's 8. So this one is the smaller one. So I'll write 183. Now I'm left with these three options. As I know, here hundreds place is 1 and over here it's 2. So definitely this one is the smaller one. I'll cut it and I'll write it over here. Now I'm left with 265, 255. Okay, here both the side at hundreds place I've got number 2. But at tens place if I see the number is 6 and over here it's number 5. So this one is the smaller one. So I'll write 255 and the last remaining number over here I will write it straight like this. Children, this option is for those children who are not that sure in counting.